everyone, welcome to the OklaRoots YouTube channel. In today's quick watch and learn, we're going to go over an adorable new zipper accent template that just came to shop OklaRoots. Today we're going to go over the cold and cozy zipper accent. Now, zipper accents are probably my favorite way to put a zipper in the middle of a panel on a bag. You can put this on the exterior or the lining. It is a quick way to get that inset zipper without having to worry about pulling everything back, without clean corners and precise stitching. You can really just flop an accent down on your panel, cut out the center window, and then stitch down the zipper. It looks professional, but it's definitely beginner friendly. You don't have to be a professional to do this. Now, this design might not make sense to you right off the bat. This is a whimsical holiday themed design. Let me just show you. There's the accent, and then there's also these add-ons that you can include with it. So you see it now. We have a gingerbread on one side, and then we have a little coffee mug on the other side. So this is available as an acrylic template. You can get this in size 6, 7, or 8 inches. They are pretty large, so make sure you make note of the measurement on the listing so you know how much space it takes up. The zipper accent is a standalone template, but then there's also a little add-on template set you could definitely grab, and it's for these cute little applique items. So if you had, let's say, the squared or even the rounded zipper accent template, you could just grab these and you could kind of finagle it yourself if you didn't want to invest in a whole nother template. This will also be available as an SVG file over on Shop OklaRoots. It will include all 3 sizes for the zipper accent as well as the SVGs for the applique items. So in today's tutorial, we're going to go over how to install the zipper accent, tracing it, sewing it into a panel, and then we're going to prep for tomorrow's video, which we're going to be making a curved clear bottom pouch with a lining. So stay tuned for that. If you're new to the OklaRoots YouTube channel, please consider clicking subscribe down below. If at any point you like this video, please give it a like. Any questions, comments, anything else you want to see? We're getting through December. I've done a really good job of doing a video every single day. So we're on our way. I don't know if we're halfway there. Let's see, 24, all right, we're not quite halfway there yet, but we are almost halfway there. This has been really fun for me. Thank you so much for those of you who've been following along and just kind of putting on these videos in the background. I've tried to keep them short and sweet and fun. This is another one of those videos where there's just gonna be music playing, so you can just kind of watch while I put together this. I do have a full tutorial going over how to use zipper accent templates, and I explain a lot of details about that, so I will have that video linked down below. All right, guys, let's get started.